Hello everyone, myself Gayatri Suryavanshi. Today I am presenting to a decision making and branching statement. Branching statement. Decision making and branching is one of the most important concepts of computer programming. Programs should be able to make logical true-false decision based on the condition provided. So controlling the execution of statement based on certain condition or decision is called decision making and branching. Types of branching statement: if statement, if else if statement, nested if statement, switch statement. If statement. If statement is a decision making statement that guides a program to make decision based on specified criteria. The if statement executes one set of code if a specified condition is made true or another set of code evaluates to false. A syntax of if statement: if in bracket condition open curly brace statement or code closing curly brace. If else statement: the if else statement executes a block of code if a specified condition is a true. If the condition is false, another block of code can be executed. The if else statement is a part of a JavaScript's conditional statement, which are used to perform different action based on different condition. Example syntax of if else statement: if expression opening curly brace statement closing curly brace, else opening curly brace statement closing curly brace. a, a nested if statement. A nested if is a C programming is an if statement that is the largest target of another if statement. A nested if statement means an if statement inside another if statement. Yes, both C programming us to nested if statement within if statement. Example, we can place an statement inside another if statement. Syntax of nested if statement: if expression first bracket complete second, if expression second bracket complete, opening curly brace statement first closing curly brace, else opening curly brace statement 2 closing curly brace, else if expression opening curly brace statement third closing curly brace, else opening curly brace statement closing curly brace. Fifth, switch statement. Switch statement is C tests the value of a variable and compares it with multiple cases. When the case match is found, a block of statement associated with that a particular case is executed. If a case match is not found, then the default statement is executed and the control goes out of the switch block. Syntax: switch, switch expressions opening curly brace case statement brace break semicolon case 2 statement break semicolon default statement closing curly brace. Default is one. Default is an official one. Thank you.